So we've got a lens. We've got this lens of knowing what the psychological principles are for people to flourish. And we've got the lens of the bloom, so we can take that into our daily life. We understand that when we're leading, what we want to do is combine these ideas of inspiring people and motivating people through transactional, inclusive and empowering leadership towards ourselves and others. Then we want to make sure that people have boundaries and we have boundaries. So we want to take the time to check in on our goals, make sure they're not conflicting, and step back to reflect on the way we're behaving, making sure that they're behaving in line with our objectives. And finally, to ensure that there is the most psychologically safe environment for each of our people and ourselves who want to take the time to assess what's going on, to choose the right tool and to monitor.